limited edition 80s lava lamp. It's not the original globe. I added the globe. It's an older globe, as you'll see in the pictures when I show you the video also. Very, very rare one. Rubik's Cube. It's going to start at a 99-cent bid. As you see it running, the Cobra is in the air. Look at it. I got like a bluish bulb in it. I'm sure maybe if you put a whiter or a clear bulb, it'll look even brighter. But it looks pretty damn cool as it is, like a glow in the dark. With a white fluid. The wax and a blue fluid. Alright, I'm going to turn the light off here. Let you check this thing out while it's rolling. Give me a minute. Like a glow in the dark. A little bit light in this room right now, but as you see it running, been running about maybe about an hour now. Looks like a glow in the dark lava. Thing is badass. Lava lamp top, vintage globe. Thing is super, super clean. The only difference on this thing is it's not the original globe. There's a little styrofoam I got on it from when it was shipped. Anyway, there it is. And good luck and happy bidding. At a 99-cent starting bid, this is the one that you don't see every day. It's sold on Worth Point for big money as far as I know. So 99 cents, folks. Don't miss out. Great deal. Don't miss out on this one for your collection. Thanks for looking. Stay safe. Have a great weekend.